Perched in the lush forests of Asheville, North Carolina, lies 32 Indian Knob Road, a property with true character that will transform your perception of the traditional log cabin. Built on 1.19 acres, bordered by a creek that flows year-round, and over 15 acres of undeveloped mountain land, this home invites you to enjoy the Asheville lifestyle, with 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, loft space, and fully finished basement. Every inch of this cabin tells a story through its natural elegance and exquisite craftsmanship. Let's step inside. On the main level, the kitchen features granite countertops, locally sourced flagstone floors, and new appliances. The open living room features a soaring 2-story stone fireplace, floor-to-ceiling windows, and wide plank white pine floors. The primary bedroom has a spiral staircase leading to the loft, and the bathroom, complete with soaking tub and rain shower, is made for unwinding at the end of the day. A half bath is convenient for guests and features the same flagstone floors as the kitchen and second entryway. A Brazilian hardwood landing leads upstairs. The big difference between this cabin versus others are the logs. It's assembled from slow-growth, hand-peeled Englemann spruce harvested in British Columbia that range from 13 to 16 inches in diameter and have a gorgeous, characteristic spiral grain. You'll notice their beauty throughout the home, including the second level, which features a full bathroom and 2 bedrooms with 2 additional spaces. The fully finished walkout basement features a large open recreational space wired for surround sound, a 3rd full bathroom, large closet, additional room, laundry, and storage space. The basement is well lit due to the double glass doors, so it's nice for extra living quarters as well as epic movie nights. The outdoor space of this home really puts on a show, with its wraparound deck showcasing hand-woven rhododendron in the railing, another special touch. The spacious deck allows for multiple outdoor seating options and relaxation stations overlooking the lush woods. In addition to plenty of space for potted plants on the deck, the property also features garden beds and beautiful landscaping, inviting you to spend more time outdoors. You'll love the privacy this home offers, where you can escape to the peaceful sounds of nature. But don't worry, you don't have to disconnect completely. The property does have high-speed internet. We hope this home speaks to you the same way that it has to us. If you'd like more information or to schedule a showing, text or call us at 828-424-9325 or reach out to us on social media. Presented by Altitude Real Estate Group.